Twenda muntu kubenga tulina ebikyambe tukoze ki byetukoze ate tulukwenda Busoga yena waali kukuba brand yaki kuba mutandika okuba brand ya Busoga mutisa ni mikwano gyaife abaidde okola ki okutuyamba tuba tukoze ensobi akuba owa kubanga akola ki awumbe engalo banange ndimaliriza nti mulijja mbisere by'obululu imwe Abasoga mwena entalo already electoral commission yatukirira Obusoga tuli kuidanga Obwakyabazinga butaikiriza abantu kulwana na mwine oba olonda ki oba oli mukamyu oli wayero ngo oli mukamyufu ebintu bino birigemagana muli bona kala dawedi gemagana owayero anonya kaki kamyufu nebyo tituli kwenda abantu bakubagane timuli katanga kamyufu mebuti kala eri kuki nti mwina ayambaire red muleke iwo yambaire yero wena mukole ki tituli kwenda Basoga akubagana abavubuka tituli kwenda kwiduza makomera niwona abatolonda ina maani wesirikira omulonde muki mutima gwo tuve ku bino ebyokucacyanca natandise okubona obutambi muli kubinga banaimwe va wano toba wano tuli basaba ekiyiririra mulonda abantu abati Obwakyabazinga ekyo nkiramu mulonda abantu bakola ki ezira muntu asinga Busoga buki bunene mulonda abantu abatya Obusoga nga benda ki Obusoga era nga bajja kulira Obusoga ebisigaire mibalekeire kibumba abe nimwe mu biseera bino abakuume abatembete abakyusa embeera daimwe.
Kingdom is a very important part of the MTN strategy and story. As you probably know, and you've interacted with MTN before, we have done a lot of work in the kingdoms because we believe they represent the cultural fabric of Uganda. They represent the values that Ugandans uphold, and therefore for us partnering with the different kingdoms has been very important. However, the Busoga kingdom has been very dear to us. I think we've been partnering with the kingdom since 2019, and there are quite a number of activities that we do here. I think probably the one that is the most famous one is the Masaza Cup, which is going to be launching this weekend. And it has done a lot in terms of propagating our youth empowerment beliefs, and that is one of the things that we celebrate. There is also a lot of work that we are doing here with regards to just activities that engage the young people. We have the bicycle race, we have the Masaza Cup, which is football, we have the coronation that we also participate in, and we were also now discussing, first of all, congratulating His Majesty on his appointment as a Goodwill Ambassador to the UN, and discussing how we can be able to partner together to eliminate completely teenage pregnancy so that we can have a lot young women finishing their schools and ensuring that they're able to create sustainable futures for their families and their communities. We also have quite a big investment here in the Busoga Kingdom. We have put up almost 180 sites and are adding even more. There's also a lot of direct and indirect employment that we create, and our partner, Mr. David, I don't know where he's standing behind me.
Right,
yeah. He runs the World Planet Communication, and through him we are able to deliver a lot of services to the Busoga people. We say thank you so much, Mwebale, to all the people of Busoga for choosing MTN. MTN is here with you. We'll continue to stand with you, and together with you we remain unstoppable. Thank you very much.
Busoga Kingdom, we have had discussions with MTN and Madame Sylvia, the CEO. So MTN is going to join the campaign to end the teenage pregnancies and keeping the girl child in school. Yeah.